today's video is going to be a little bit different. Oh,
Feet in the sand, warm like a hug. Waves
beautiful,
whisper
beautiful place.
secrets, soft as a shrug. Palm trees sway like they're dancing too. Sky so wide, it's drinking the blue. Oh, island dreams call my name. Every sunset a picture frame. Salt on my lips, breeze in my hair. Island dreams take me there, take me there.
So hi guys, I know you're used to us doing Civil 3D videos, AutoCAD and many other engineering applications, but today's video is going to be a little bit different. So today I'm here in Port Maclear. Port Maclear is just next to Lake Malawi. So I came here just for a visit, just to enjoy myself. But while I was here, my engineering couldn't help but kick in. So I'm here right next to the lake. So let me just show you the lake. This is the lake. It's a freshwater lake. And when I look at this lake, I can't help but think about the water shortage situation in Africa. So we know in Africa, many nations face water shortages, and it's because of lack of infrastructure. Because as you can see, we have sources. This is just a beautiful piece that can, or example that can show you that Africa really has the resources that we need to go forward. So this is Lake Malawi. As you can see, the water is very clear. So let's get near. Look at that water. You can see all the way to the ground. Just have a look. That's very clear. So what this means is that even when you're doing water treatment for such a source, we're going to do minimal water treatment, because this water is not turbid. It is turbid, but the turbidity is very low. As you can see, the water is very clear. That's an indication of the cleanliness of the water. So it will be minimal treatment for such a source, and we are ready to go. We are ready to tackle the water shortage situation in Africa. So I just wanted to show you that because in the near future I'll be also doing content on water supply and sanitation. I'll be doing content on how to do water supply schemes, how to size pumps, how to do water supply networks, pressure networks and all that. So just wanted to show you that, and thank you for viewing, thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. This is a channel that provides good insight on education, on engineering education. So see you in the next video.